sorry. What am I doing?
Working hard. Show you what we just got done shooting. The silence with. Good old trusty equipment. This nice Rode boom pole is nice and light, good for traveling, which I had to travel for. This bad boy, this is the key right here. This Rode mic goes on top. Of course, I'm using the Samsung NX1. Why? I don't know. The NTG2, I believe we're using. Is that right? Hey, why aren't you in focus? So I guess we're using cheaper cameras. Focus. There we go. Nope, almost had it. Anyways, it's NTG2 with my dead cat. That's what we're using. Hooked up with the XLR to the Tascam Mark II. Little zoom right here. Worked out great. Yeah, pretty much it. Shooting with the 1650mm lens, mostly, and then the 5200 Samsung lens. That's all my gear, you know. As you can probably see, shooting with the matte box and some other stuff, but went very minimal since I was traveling and only had a backpack. That's all I could fit in a small little suitcase and backpack. I think I made it work. We'll see. No, you're fine. Eugene, scene 2, take 1. Ah! Tommy walking, scene 1, take 1. Action.
Sorry.
Okay, Tommy, ready?
For what?
You're gonna pick it up and then start to strum it. Yeah, that looked good. Ready? And then pick up the guitar and go to play.